I'm the CEO of Balkan Sewer and Water Main Service. And if you have an old house, and this most definitely qualifies as an old house, you may have a combined sewer system that has all sorts of pipes interconnecting that you're not familiar with, and it's hard to tell which one is which. So I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial that could absolutely help you out in the future. So what we have here is, this is what's called the combined sewer line. What does that mean? That means it takes stormwater, rainwater, from roof leader lines. It has a single vent trap called the P-trap, and then it connects to the sanitary line behind the trap and the vent. Now this is called the vent, it's actually called the fresh air inlet. This is a double vent house trap that you see on sanitary sewer lines. Always open the street side first, that's in another video. And typically a storm sewer line has a single vent trap. So there you have stormwater line connected to the sanitary sewer line, and it's technically considered a combined sewer because the sewer in the street, the city sewer, takes both rainwater and sanitary water flow. I hope that helps you out there. Thank you.